Umentri katanat puli puthi ubala kamen rumbui ula ong bakakam bahakmat jong Sorkar kalong ban pynbeit ryntih shwai ki skul hakaleng ke jylla Meghalaya. Habakren Syllad puthai kubor haga kat artrik nay wiem ubala kamen ula kedawi ke jingtmu da kabaong kathong jongi kalong ban pynbeit ryntih ki skul kenang ban penthikna baki doni kinohikai katkum ka jingdon kam ka jingbyang ha ka jingdon jingi kena skul bat ki jingtei ki babyang. Ula benram ngakermen bangin poi ha kerdan ha ke babarok ki skul ha Meghalaya ki don ki nohikai katkum ga jingdon kam kaban pli lenti ki jingkla ki bakra. Ha bapen pau ko jingsngu kya ha ke bayadei berkinong tri hapo sarva shiksha abhiyan SSA umentri ula kular bak Sorkar jylla kan pynneh ka skhim wal ada ke Sorkar pedeng kan pun kutno ka da ka babenram ngin khmi benya halor kini ki barwa. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan sapet bakan ka skhim ka deban bedeng da kumway ka rukam ne da kumway pan. Habakali halor ka jingbei tingka umentri ulapan pa ba ompat la satya ban ay ka jingken ka batikna. Ngimpat poi sya ka jingpen kut ba hadu katno ngidon kam ya kapisa. Ngidang tre halor ka ni bat kerman bangin sayo ya ka jingken ha kini kindat singi ki banwan. Nang ta ngin sabishar benya ya ka jinglut jingsep jong man la ka jingpen kiu ula ong. Nalor kata ulapan pauru ya ki jing ha kaliang kapisa tingka da kabaong. Ka jinglut jingsep na kabenta kinohikai kalong kababun bha. Ngin syong bat katanat pla tingka ban penkut ba hadu katno ka Sorkar kala bankin. Da kababu ru ha ka jingmut halwar ki weipat ki jingkit kli kum ka jingdan kam ya ki dawai dashin ha ki hospital bat ha kabayade bat ki surok.
Today, the Association of Deficit School Teachers Association, they met me to discuss about the issues related to the problem faced by the deficit teachers. The number one, they want to get the clarity regarding the categorization of teachers and pay structure arising therefrom. I have explained to them that it is an endeavor of the government that the teachers should have a sense of security. The teachers should have, because as of now, they don't know next year how much salary we will get. So we want to have the structured pay or structured grant aid system where the teachers should have the sense of security. Because as you know, that especially SSA teachers, by 31st March 2026, it is the government of India will withdraw the grant. So where our teachers will go? So that's why our Honorable Chief Minister have promised that we will do the necessary thing which need to be done. And for all the ad hoc food teachers, the Hindi teachers, and so on and so forth, we will have one pay structure. Yes, we know that we cannot satisfy everybody, but we have to start somewhere. Then we hope that by 31st December, we will able to come up with the new structured grant aid or structured salary as the case may be, which will be implemented by the 1st of April. And this structure, as of now, we didn't touch about the deficit teachers. As of now. After that, as of now, afterwards, I cannot say, but first we have to come into the meeting point regarding the restructure or especially regarding the structured grant aid or structured salary for those SSA and other and ad hoc and food teachers and so on and so forth. And number two, they want the clarity regarding the payment of DA because they inform me that they still enjoy the DA of 43%, whereas the government employee they have enjoyed now 51%. So I told that since area also is involved, this also involved, so we need time to see where and how and why it happened. And number three, which we discussed, is that regarding the issue of the centralized provident fund. So regarding that, I have told that a notification for the board of trustee of to operate to see that how this centralized provident fund scheme be implemented have been issued by the government of Meghalaya on the 4th of November 2025, where the Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Mantri was the chairman, and including the officers from the finance department, officers from higher education, officers from school education, the assistant lecturer from the college, the assistant teacher from schools, and also the staff from schools. So this board of trustee, they will formulate, they will keep the plan how the government will able to move forward regarding this thing. I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister that our first and foremost thing is that our goal is that to have to rationalize the schools. We have to have the school should have the number of teachers. The school should have student. The school should have a proper infrastructure. Having said that, I hope that if we come into a meeting point, no schools in Meghalaya will be, all schools in Meghalaya, they will have required number of teachers and will able, and many transformation will be there. But having said that, regarding the staff in SSA and all, everything will be looked into, because as I said, that do the scheme, if at all discontinued by the government, the government of Meghalaya will look into it, how to see that this scheme continue in one form or other. We have not come to the how much the fund required. We are working on it. I hope that in the next few days we will able to come up. Then we will see if increase 1 rupee, how much it will cost us. If 10 rupees, how much it costs. If 1,000, so on and so forth. As of now, because the quantum of teachers is very high, and I cannot say anything. And whatever projection we have, we will sit in finance department. We will come to the conclusion how much the government able to bear, because it is not that only to pay to the teachers, that we have to see that medicine in the hospital is there, we have to see the road is there, this or that. So having said that, we have to see the finance man, but we'll try to do justice to all section of the people.